Ben de versus ben de. So your teacher, your book, your app told you that this white one, stop being racist actually, was me too. And the problem is when you use it as me too, when you know it as me too, and when you meet people, and when you introduce yourself, and when you say, merhaba, ben Angelica, they go, ben de Ali. Allah Allah. And you're like, what? Me too, Ali? What's going on? So the problem is your teacher, your book, your app doesn't tell you what this yellow one, can you stop being racist? Actually is that they are not talking about this at all. But this one is like and I or and I am blah blah blah. Why? Because we actually have two types of de. And I'm not even talking about the locative de, da, de, ta, te. That's a suffix. But these are not suffixes, right? And what I'm telling you here is this de that you know as to as well also has a twin. And it's here and it means and. Okay, let me show you. So it's like merhaba ben Angelica, I'm Angelica, and I'm Ali. See the yellow one? And I'm Ali. So this one is and. But you know what? Even their stress intonation is different. This one is a coward. He always passes the stress on to the previous syllable. And because the word ben has only one syllable, it will sound like this. Ben mühendisim. I'm an engineer. And when you want to say me too, you go ben de. Because this coward passes the intonation, the stress, onto the previous syllable. Ben de. Ben mühendisim. Ben de. Ben Amerikalıyım. I'm American. Ben de. Ben Türk'üm. Ben de. Ben de. Don't create memes out of this. Ben de. Please, it's ridiculous. Ben de. Tamam. And there is the twin, right? Let's talk about the twin. The twin is not a coward. He's brave. He takes on the stress, right? So it's like ben de, ben mühendisim, ben de, me too, ben Angelica. Can you guess how we pronounce it when we say and I'm Ali? Ben de Ali. Merhaba, ben Angelica. Ben de Ali. Ben de Ali. Ben de Ali. Ben de Ali. Does it make sense? I hope it does. Nobody's talking about this because I'm a Turkologist. I have bachelor and master in Turkology. I know the history. I suddenly got carried away. I know the history of the Turkish language and the Old Turkic, starting from Old Turkic, but we never talk about this. I believe my professors didn't even realize this because I only realized this when I started teaching Turkish to foreign learners. And I was like, something is off here. And then I noticed even the stress intonation was different, and I've been teaching this to my own students, but I started I decided to stop gatekeeping and teaching it to you people on YouTube and other channels. So yeah, I hope it was helpful and I hope you discovered something new. If you want, I can make a comprehensive video on this matter because this is way deeper than this. And let me know in the comments if you've noticed this before, if your teacher actually taught you this. If he did, he's a good teacher, stick with that teacher. He probably taught you lots of other things as well. If he didn't, then maybe it's time to teach him. You can send this video to him so he can notice this, and maybe you will help him to discover more stuff as well. So I recorded this video without any preparation. Wish me luck because I want to be consistent on YouTube.